have too much on my face, it really feels like good. Yeah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jessica Tunobet. If you're new here, and to my old subscribers, thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much. I have cold, so I'm wearing like a big hoodie jacket. Yes, so I just want to say and thank you to our new subscribers who joined the family and who made us to cross 100 and something. So we are almost on our way to 200 subscribers, so please keep on subscribing. Yeah, I'm so happy we're almost 200. When you're in 200, it's like to say you're almost 1,000 subscribers. Tell your family, your brother, your sister, your brother, your everybody to come to my channel and subscribe. Yes, if you like my vibe, come to the gang, come to the house, come to the family. Yeah, okay. So before we get started about today's video, please do me a huge favor and smash the subscribe button. Yes, the one down below, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video, and also like and share and comment down below. Yes, what do you think of this look? Not the eye though, we're not doing the eye today. No, it's another look we're doing today. Okay, so I think I'm ranting too much. Let's just jump into this video. It's all about how to apply concealer. New technique I saw. I was going through my phone. Yes, I'm gonna put when I was going through my phone on YouTube. So I come across there's this YouTuber, her name is Dimma. I love her channel so much, like so much. Yes, so I came across whatever. I saw the video she uploaded. Yes, and I was like, okay, I think I can try this out on my own. So I decided to give it a trial. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be playing her video and do the step-by-step technique of how to apply a new way to apply foundation. So let's get started. I've already done my makeup, all my makeup, just the how to apply the concealer we are trying to do right now. So if you want to know how I got this eye look, please comment down below so I can do a full video about this eye look. Yes, I've done my foundation, everything. I've done it just only for us to apply. So let's just jump into this video. I don't know, I'm talking too much. I think I like talking to you guys too much. Yes, so let's jump into it. Second time I'm doing this video. I did it before, and the noise, the weather, still the weather today, I'm just thanking God the weather is a bit brighter. That day the weather too was just funny. I'm going to put a video so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this is the second time I'm doing this video. So alright, let's just start. I'm going to be giving my own opinion when I'm done with everything about this look. So I'm playing her video
okay,
right
so she
now.
had seen another person do this hack and she kind of did her own differently. Before I get into the main hack, if your under eye area, if your immediate under eye area is kind of deep set, or you have eye bags, or you have hyperpigmentation in that area, then you need to kind of conceal that first. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm using a concealer that is kind of like just one shade lighter than my skin tone, very close to my skin tone. It is Colourpop's concealer.
Said if you have like a darker eye, under eye, bag, whatever you have under your eyes, you should use a lighter color. So I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fit 24 hours Wear Smooth concealer. This is what it looks like, and it's in the shade NW40. So I'm going to use that to conceal my under eye area. Let's see how she's
Today is
doing
not
it.
chicken. Today is what I don't know. What the hell is this noise? Agnes? What is that? Guys, please, moving on. I already did my foundation and I did a little bit of contour already, so it's just like the to focus on in this video. It's kind of recommended for this technique that if your immediate under eye area is deep set.
Aunty, Please. Can you go?
In that area, then go in with a concealer and kind of conceal that first. I'm going to use my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Dark 46, which is like one shade darker than my, actual skin tone. So just apply this on the center here. You're not taking it all the way out or like in like we would normally do, okay? Okay. Going to blend this out with my beauty blender.
Alright, so we have to add this. I need you guys. I need you all to see what I'm doing. Yeah. Add this here. Then we blend. To be blending mine. She's blending hers. I'm gonna be blending mine.
You see that kind of covers like that whole thing that I have in that area. Okay. That is. So next is to go in with a concealer that is much lighter, maybe 2 to 3 shades lighter, and I'm going to apply.
So guys, if you watched my how to draw your eyebrow, I'm going to put the video somewhere here. I said I was complaining about a shade I got, which is a bit not a bit, it's really lighter than my skin. So that's what I'm going to be using, which is Fit Me Maybelline, and it's in the shade 35. I usually use 40, but I could not find 40, so I have to get 35. I don't know why I did that, but let's just continue.
On like targeted areas. So first, this area here, like very close to my tear duct area.
Okay. Your tear duct area.
Okay. I hope you guys can see this. And then down my nose like this.
The bridge of your nose.
Okay. This area here.
And this area here.
I feel like when you're doing this, you have to be very, very careful so that you're gonna.
Okay, so she said here. So when you're doing this, you have to be careful so that your face will be the same. Will not be different. Here and here again. But please, this way that don't spoil too big from here. Alright, what's
Keep your eyes the same shape. You don't want to take it higher in one eye and then lower in one. So I'm trying to make sure that I don't do that. Once you've done this, you're going to go in with you.
So she also went to she applied some here. Then she's using a brush to blend. So I'm gonna get a brush now. Using this my brush. She blend. Let me see what she's doing.
Brush to actually blend it out. I will not be using a beauty blender.
Oh, she said she's not using a beauty blender, so she's blending it out.
Like this. So just kind of blend it downwards. So I had to switch to a beauty blender because.
So she used this beauty blender. So let's see what it looks like with the brush. I'm going to use beauty blender towards this side and see the difference. you guys can see what I'm. So guys, this is beauty blender and this is brush. Comment down below which blended more. I think it's the beauty blender because here I still have like an hash line here, and here is it's blended well. See, here there's still like a hash line. Here is blended well. So I'll just use my beauty blender to do all of it because I can't come and be having two different faces on my face. Let's see, honest.
This particular concealer really dried out like really quickly. I didn't apply any concealer on my forehead yet.
Because she did the rest of her makeup. The rest of her concealing. Which I'll do that now. My nose, the bridge of my forehead bridge. Really kind of different color. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. The weather is just giving me some different shades, so please bear with me. Shades. I use 40. Just one.
And down the bridge of my nose. I think that I don't have any hash lines right now. I think I've kind of blended everything out the best that I can before going in with powder. And on the areas where we did the concealer,
so you said the area where we did the concealer we should bake.
that thing, we're just going to bake those areas separately. So this is my Laura Mercier concealer.
So we're breaking that separately. So I'm going to be using my nars powder to bake. I can't do a brush. No. I'm liking this though. I am digging it though. I think I overbaked this too. I overcooked my face. So she's still baking.
So while that is baking, I'm going to apply my lashes just really quickly. So
Okay, this is not possible to
where's my
Then she's
some contour powder.
going to do contour. Every.
I'm going to go ahead and dust this off
Dust
now.
it out. Then that's it. So I'm going to contour my face. With my matte blush and contour palette from Kiss Beauty. Yes, so I'm just going to be using like a darker, not too dark shade. Guys, I know you feel I have lots of powder on my face because I overbaked my face. Just wait, make sure you watch the video to the ending so you see the end product, okay? Then I'll dust all this out. My MAC Studio Fit Me powder to set all this up. I think she didn't set her face, but I'm going to set in my face. To bronze my face. I need to have that small glow, not much. Finish all my makeup and I'll be right back to give you guys my final thoughts about this new concealer routine. I've done my hair, my makeup, everything, so here is my final thought. I like this routine so much. I mean, so much. It made my face feel good and it gave me this it elevated this my side cheekbone, something like that. Yeah, so I really like this and I'm going to be doing this routine more often. Yes, I'm going to be doing this more often in my makeup routine. Yes, I'm going to be doing this more often. So if you want a full detail eyes of this shadow, if you want a full detail video, please comment down below, let me know, so that I can do a full detail look. And I think I'm going to be doing more of a shouted look now because I'm liking the vibe it's giving me. So okay, so let me stop playing. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe button is down below, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And also like, share, and comment down below. Let me know if you're gonna try this routine, and if you already tried it, let me know in the comment section below. Yeah. So to my next video, love you guys so much. Stay safe, and shout out to our new subscribers and to the old ones. Thank you for sticking. So I love you.